So example 1, consider the number 4 power n where n is the natural number. Check whether there is any value of n for which 4 power n ends with the digit 0. So we have to find whether 4 power n ends with the digit 0. So let's take the numbers which is ending with 0. Example 10 and 100. So I have taken 10 and 100. My LCM of 10 is 2 into 5. My LCM of 100 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So how do you take the LCM? So 10 2 times divided by 5, again 5 times 1. Now again take the LCM for 100. 2, it will become 50. Again I can divide by 2. So my answer will be 25. Again I can divide by 5, which will become 5, 1. Now look here. My answer has become 2 into 5. 2, 5. 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. That's what I have written here. So my factors are 2 and 5 for both the numbers 10 and 100. So now see here. So 10 and 100, 2 and 5 are their prime factors. So for 4, if we take the LCM, my answer will become 2 divided by 2. Again it will become 1. So if I divide 4 by 2, my answer will be 2. Again I am dividing this by 2 and I get 1. So my factors are 2 and 2. So instead of 4, I have written 2 into 2 whole power n. So I don't get 5 as my factor. So I conclude that it does not have 5 as a prime factor. It does not end with 0. So 4 power n does not end with 0 for all natural numbers. So now we are going to find the HCF for number 6 and 20. If I divide 6 by 2, my quotient will be 3. Again I am dividing by 3 to get 1. When I get 1, I can stop till this. Then next number 20 divide by 2, I get 10. Again I divide by 2 to get 5. Again I can't divide by 2, 3 and 4. So I am going with 5. So I get 1. So now my factors for 6 are 2 into 3 and 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. For HCF, I have to find the common value. Which is a common value here for 6 and 20? 2 is my common value. So my HCF of the number 6 and 20 is 2. Now we are going to find the LCM of the number 6, 20. 6 and 20 should be divisible by same number. If it is not divisible by the same number, you have to write the number as such below that. Okay. Now look here, 6, 2. Now I am dividing 6 by 2 to get 3 and 20 by 2 to get 10. Now again I am dividing by 2, but 3 by 2 I can't divide. I don't get any quotient. So now I am going to divide 10 by 2 to get 5. As it is not divisible by 2, I have to write the number as such. So 3 I am writing as such. Okay. Now 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So first the smallest number is 3. So I am dividing 3 divided by 3 is 1. Again 5. 5 divided by. So we can't divide by 5 by 3. So I am writing the number as such. Okay. So see here. 3 was not divisible. So I wrote the number. So 3 was not divisible. So I wrote the number 3 as such. 5 was also not divisible by 3. So I wrote the number as such. So I have got 1, 1. Now my LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So my answer is 60. My next example number 3. Find the HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method. Hence find their LCM. Now look here. first I am going to take the HCF for 96 as well as for 404. 404. Now look here. If you divide 2, so 96 divided by 2 will become 48. Again I can divide by 2 to get 24. Again I can divide by 2 to get 12. Again I am dividing by 2 to get 6. Again I am dividing by 2 to get 3. We can't divide 3 by 2. So I am going with 3, which is nothing but 1. Now I can divide 404 by 2 to get 202. Again I can divide 2. So I get 101. So 101 is a prime number. So I am going with 101. So I get 1. So my factors are for 96 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So I have written here. Next 404 is 2 into 2 and into 101. So now look here. I have to find the common factors for both the numbers, which is nothing but 2 as well as 2. So 2 into 2. So my HCF is 4. So look here. They have given two numbers. They have given two numbers 96 and 404. They have asked us to find LCM. So our formula will be HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. What are the two numbers given? 96 and 404. So these two are the two numbers given. So our HCF is 4. We can divide this 4. 4 if it comes to the right hand side, we can divide by 4. So 96 into 404 by 4. Now we can simplify and multiply the number.